his young people.
He's an amazing mentor. He's someone who is always willing to listen. He is someone who always encourages me to be the best that I can be. This is what young people say.
I'm here because I need some help. I need some help to move an agenda on living wage, on working families, on people that need. Those 28% of people who live below the poverty guidelines.
A lot of folks believe that the labor movement is not together and we're all over the